I3S Contour tutorial video on easy annotation. Start with opening a file. I have my identified database with whale sharks, my unidentified dorsal fins and tutorial images. Annotation starts with the left fluke, or the left part, to the middle, and then from the right fluke tip to the middle. Also indicated here by the yellow background of the L. Start by clicking on the tip of the left fluke with your left mouse button and click on characteristic forms along the contour. And click in the middle. This contour looks okay, so we make it final. We proceed with the right fluke by clicking on the R, and again we click on the tip of the fluke, and let's be bold and immediately click in the middle. This contour looks fine, so make it final, and then you can save the fingerprint. We continue with the next image, and immediately you can see that the first one has been annotated. The icon has changed and there's a fingerprint file attached to it. So we open the next file. You can see that there's some curving on this tip and the viewing angle is not optimal. Again, we start by clicking on the tip of the left fluke, and let's see what happens if we immediately click in the middle. You can see that there's some contour missing here, not being done correctly. So we corrected the last point by clicking on the right mouse button, and we start to trace the contour by making smaller steps. Let's zoom in. It makes it easier to make small steps, and click along some typical points. That looks better. And click in the middle. Okay. This contour looks fine, so we make it final. We proceed with the right fluke, again by clicking on the tip of the fluke. We click along some characteristic points. That looks fine. Okay. Okay, this contour looks fine. So we make it final. We save the fingerprint, and that concludes the tutorial video.